Hey everybody, it's David again from Real Hard Reviews, and today we're diving into a graphics card that's trying to find that sweet spot in a pretty wild market. This is the MSI GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 16GB gaming OC. With GPU prices being what they are, finding a real value, especially in the mid-range, is tougher than ever. The 5060 Ti sits in an interesting spot, promising solid 1080p and 1440p performance without completely breaking the bank. MSI aims to add that extra value with their gaming OC model. So let's crack this open and see what they've been cooking. Alright, first impressions on the packaging. MSI sticks to their familiar and informative style. It's sturdy, looks premium without being too flashy, and it tells you key specs right on the box. Inside, the card is well protected. Plenty of foam, and the essential anti-static bag means it should survive even the roughest shipping journey. As for accessories, MSI keeps it lean and focused. You get the usual quick start guide and, importantly, this power adapter. This converts two standard 8-pin PCIe power connectors to the newer 12-volt 2x6 connector this card uses. And honestly, this adapter feels surprisingly premium. It's got this nice black sheathing, feels robust, and MSI even specifies the bend radius right on the back for safety. It's a small detail, but appreciated, especially given the intention of these new connectors, which are needed. Now let's look at the card itself. MSI calls this the gaming OC, and aesthetically it leans into that modern, angular look. Reminds me a bit of a sports car. It uses multiple shades of gray paired with these two large 95mm black fans. There are some subtle RGB accents between the fans, controllable via software of course. Flipping it over, we got a nice solid aluminum backplate. This isn't just for looks, it actually acts as a heatsink, particularly for the VRAM chips on the back, which is crucial since this is a 16GB model. You also get MSI's Dragon logo back here. Size-wise, this card is pretty reasonable by today's standards. It's just over a 2-slot design and about 246mm long. This means it should fit comfortably in most standard cases, even smaller ones, which is great to see for a 60 Ti class card. The real star for MSI gaming cards is often the cooler, and this uses their 10th generation twin Frost design. These fans are what MSI calls Storm Force. They feature a connecting ring around the blade to improve airflow, increase static pressure, and reduce noise. Underneath, you can see a dense heatsink array with multiple heat pipes. This robust cooling solution is key because it allows the card to boost higher and stay quiet, even under load, without needing a massive cooler. MSI seems to have focused on delivering a well-built, well-cooled card that extracts good performance from the 5060 Ti core. The 16GB of VRAM is a welcome addition for longevity, and the Twin Frost 10 cooler looks more than capable. It feels like a solid contender in the mid-range, especially if you value quiet operation and build quality. So there you have it, a first look and unboxing the MSI GeForce RTX 5060 Ti gaming OC. It's looking like a strong option for those seeking good 1080p or 1440p performance with a focus on quality cooling and features. And paired with a solid power supply like the MSI MPG A1000GS, you'll have a reliable core for your gaming rig. So, what do you think of the 5060 Ti? Let me know down in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is David from Real Hard Reviews, signing out.